Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings right away. Press the Windows key, type Update, and open Windows Update. Once there, you hit Check for updates so Windows queries Microsoft's catalog for available driver packages. Make sure to click View Optional Updates when that link appears. Optional Updates is where driver downloads are often listed separately. This reveals device driver entries so you can choose which drivers to install instead of taking everything automatically. Once Optional Updates shows driver updates, you review each device name and its release date carefully. You should select only drivers that match your hardware and look recent or necessary, because newer isn't always better. Version numbers tell you what changed. After selecting, click Download and Install. Windows will queue the drivers and begin installation. Keep the PC awake and connected to power while this runs, and watch progress in settings so you can address any prompts the installer may show. After installation finishes, restart the system when prompted to complete driver activation. Choose Restart Now or Schedule if you're in the middle of work. If a newly installed driver causes instability, open Device Manager, find the device, and use Rollback Driver or Uninstall Device to revert to the prior driver. If rollback isn't available, boot to safe mode and use System, restore to return to a working point. These steps ensure you can recover quickly without losing custom configurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.